How to keep bats away from a swimming pool at night. Bats are attracted to certain areas, and once the pests set up home, it's difficult to remove them. Bats can continue to find their way home for years, regardless of your preventative measures. The bats sweep down from their nest in areas of your home, including your attic and along the roof line. They may also hide around your swimming pool or move near it. As bats carry rabies and other diseases, it's best to find a way to keep the bats away. Things you'll need: hardware cloth, wire cutters, screwdriver, screws, ultrasound device. Walk through your house and look for any ways bats may be hiding or nesting. Locate areas where the bats nest, including the attic. Bats need only a small space to gain access to your home because they can push their head through a small hole and wiggle their bodies through it. Trim hardware cloth into pieces large enough to cover any holes or entrances that you find, with wire cutters. Hardware cloth is a type of woven metal that is flexible and has holes that are too small for the bat heads to fit through. Place the hardware cloth against the hole and secure in place with screws and a screwdriver. This keeps the bats from gaining access to areas around your house and forces them to seek refuge elsewhere. Repeat the process on any other holes around your house. Set an ultrasound device designed to repel bats near your swimming pool. Turn the machine on each time you spend time in or near the swimming pool. The device emits a frequency designed to drive bats away and keep the bats away from the space. Tips: warnings. Hire a professional exterminator if the bats keep returning to your swimming pool area. Professional exterminators are the only ones capable of trapping bats in suitable animal traps or laying out poison to completely eradicate the bat problem around your home. Ultrasound devices only work if you have a few bats or bats have recently settled into the area. The products won't work on colonies of bats,